Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about variables in Python. So what is the use of variables in code? Variables are used to store the data in our code. So variables are containers for storing data values. In Python, we don't need to specify the type of variable. So let's see in code what is type of variable. So this is our demo.py file. So for let's say I want to store some values in a variable. So let's say I have a variable id and it will contain a value of integer type. So I will provide some integer, let's say 101. So this id has this value 101. So we don't need to provide like uh, uh, int data type, because in Python we don't need to provide the data type. So this is the way the data 101 is stored in this particular variable. Variable names can be group of both the letters and digits, but they have to begin with a letter or an underscore. So every variable should begin with a letter or underscore. So let's see. So if I provide this id1, so there is no error. So it is taking digit also. You can provide like id1 underscore id. It is also a valid variable name. You can also provide, let's say you provide one id. So this time it is giving us error. It says end of statement expected, and here the error like red line is highlighted on this file. So this is not a valid variable name, as variable should always start with a letter or underscore. So by providing underscore you will get the valid variable name. It is recommended to use lowercase letters for the variable name, age, and like if you have same name but you provide the different cases like lowercase and uppercase to the variable, they will be considered as different variables. Let's see. So let's say I have one variable called age and I have provided a value as 20. Now let's say I have another variable which is in lowercase, age 25, and I print. So print function you need to use, and let's say I want to print age. So if I print age, save it, run. So see 20 is being printed as age variable is storing this 20 value. And what if I want to print the another age? So in that case, let's say you want to print that also, print. So this will be uppercase, save it, run it. So see here you will get this 25 for this uppercase age and this 20 for this lowercase age. And what if I remove this uppercase age and replace it with lowercase? So at this time we don't have this variable age declared here, so we are getting error here. So let's remove this line. Now what you think, what will be the output here? So in this case, first line 20 is assigned to this age, in the second line 25 is assigned to this age. So in this case the old value is overwritten. So earlier it will have 20, but now we have made it to 25. So if I run this code, I will get one value which is 25, because 20 has been overwritten by 25. So another feature we want to learn of variables. String variables can be declared either by using single or double quotes. Like let's check in code. Now this was all about the integer values. Now let's say we want to store some string data type. So let's give name to a variable, let's say name only, name. If I provide name, so string should be, if I provide in this way, so it is giving me error because it is not integer. So all the string type should be provided in quotes. Like if I provide it in double quotes, let's say name John, and print it, print name, save it, run it. Now you will get John as the value of name. In similar ways you can use double quote or single quote. it will have no difference. It will assign name John to the variable name. Let's save this. So see, you are able to get this name. Also what you can do, like you have provided name as John, but I want to provide surname also. So you can also declare one variable here. Let's say another variable is surname, and let's say John has surname pointing. So in this case you will need to print name plus surname. So let's run this. So see, you are able to get the John pointing. So this plus is basically adding these two variables. So both are of string type. It is adding those two values, but I want space between this name and surname. So what I can do, I can make plus, I will add the space here and also made this plus. So what will, name will get print, after that one space will be added, after that surname will get printed. Save this. So see, now I am able to get John pointing with that extra space. So that was all about variables. We will see another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.